YouTube. Guess what? I wired up my chime, but the strobe on it, this is my new 5-ohm. Yeah, here's the cover and everything. It's just, I wired it up. It works, the chime works, but the strobe, I don't know what's going on with it. It doesn't flash. It's a CH70. Look how quiet that sounds. It sounds pleasant in person. I like it. I'm surprised that it works. I can adjust the chime and everything, but I'm not going to mess with it. It's 2 wires I hooked it up to. I think the strobe might be dead on it, but who cares? At least I had my first chime strobe. And my first one with a strobe on it. Or just the tone on it. But you guys. I'm not going to use it with power because it's kind of dangerous in the volume. I just want to make it go high volume strobe. Yeah, I also don't have screws on it, so yeah. Oh, it's still doing the same thing. Maybe the strobe might not be hooked up either. That's why I said like a high volume. So kind of loud and high volume somehow. Oh, I love this one. Yeah, it does that, but maybe the strobe might not. Yeah, anyways, that's it.